I have finally decided to go for a solo ride. Um, let's see. Planning to go to Panchgani. See you at the bike. So, we're all geared up now. तो हम लोग अभी निकलेंगे पंचगनी. This is lava that I have to wear. See you on the bike.
We have finally come here to fill some petrol. I usually fill up the V-Power. I don't know the amount of ethanol and all. I think to YouTube it's like around 15%, I think. Till date, ever since I bought this bike, I've been only filling V-Power. I think I will switch to the XP100. But yeah, these are the two fuels that I'm planning to use.
And it started raining, so I just put my raincoat over the top of my riding jacket, and it feels so uncomfortable, man. So when I just stopped, I just found my favorite chips, the Crunch X. So next time, in the near future, definitely gonna get the right gear, man. So that it's comfortable. Very gloomy weather, man. It's been like this like for the entire day. But yeah, I just stopped here. I got a really nice shade, so to wear my rain gear and stuff. But one more hour to go. Catch you in the highway.
people fucking drive at night, bro. I can't see shit. Fucking hell, man. Where the fuck is this place? Okay.
There's literally nobody in this fucking town, bro. That's where you get some lockers. I have currently placed this one. My shoes here, and you have to get the slippers. Apparently, it's to maintain the cleanliness. That's the set of pods, and I've placed my helmet over there. And that's the valley view, that's not visible yet. But yeah, this is the place. It's absolutely empty right now, and that's my pod. Luckily, while I was going down to take my bike and park it in another place, I met another fellow rider, and he's also he's coming all the way from Goa, and so yeah, I'm just waiting for him to get freshened up, and then we'll go grab some dinner together. Yeah, I think I'll catch you on the dinner table then. Bye. Morning. I had a decent sleep here. It was pretty chill. But look at the view. Nice. It's So I'm finally dressed up and got the bag packed, gears over here, power bank. I'll put this on my phone, and I think the weather is absolutely amazing. I'll head out to a beautiful part. So there's an amazing stay over here. It's a really nice place, very budget friendly, and the views were absolutely amazing. Yeah, I'll just grab my helmet. We'll be good to go.
चलो
very windy here. But what fucking amazing view.
Stopped at McDonald's for a quick break. Lunchtime now, so.
Successfully completed the ride. So, I mean, it wasn't a big ride, but we have covered around 232 kilometers, and it was a ride time of 5 hours. So yeah. So that was the end of the vlog. It took me some time to edit it. It took me almost a week. With workload and everything, but hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely like, share and subscribe, and give me a lot of credit